Want to make those viral, satisfying ASMR cutting videos without touching a knife or a real fruit? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them in HD quality using 100% free AI tools. You don't need expensive cameras, editing skills, or even physical props. Just your idea, my step-by-step process, and a few minutes. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be making videos that people can't stop watching. All right, before we even think about making our ASMR cutting video, we need the perfect image. Because remember, if your starting image is low quality, your final video will never look professional. Now, for this, we're going to use Whisk AI. And the best part is, it's completely free to start. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, I've explained the full sign-up process step by step in my previous video. You'll find that in the iCard above and also in the description below this video. So, once you've logged into Whisk AI, here's what you do. On the dashboard, click on Image Generation. This is where all the magic happens. Now here's a pro tip. Don't just type fruit cutting and expect amazing results. The AI isn't a mind reader. You need to guide it with a clear and detailed prompt. And for that, we're going to use ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is like your personal creative assistant. Okay, so before we go any further, I want to talk about something that can literally make or break your AI results, and that's prompt writing. Think of it like this. ChatGPT and other AI tools are just like chefs in a kitchen. If you give them a vague order like, make me food, you could get anything. But if you say, make me a grilled cheese sandwich with extra butter, crispy edges, and a side of tomato soup, suddenly the chef knows exactly what to deliver. AI works the same way. The more specific and detailed your prompt is, the closer the output will be to what you have in your head. Now, let's build our perfect ASMR image prompt. Here's what I type into ChatGPT. Write me a prompt to generate a realistic HD quality ASMR fruit cutting image. The fruit should be a glowing strawberry, sliced with a sharp knife and a close-up shot with a visible hand holding it. The aspect ratio should be 9:16, suitable for YouTube Shorts. Notice a few things here. 1. Realistic and HD quality. This tells the AI to make it look lifelike, not cartoonish. 2. Glowing strawberry. A small visual detail that makes it stand out on social media feeds. 3. Close-up shot with visible hand. This adds a human touch, which is key for ASMR visuals. 4. Aspect ratio, 9:16. This makes sure the image fits perfectly for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT gives me a complete, polished prompt in seconds. I can now take that prompt and use it directly in Whisk AI. And here's my pro tip. Don't be afraid to iterate. If the first image isn't perfect, tweak the prompt. Add more lighting details, change the knife type, or specify background elements. AI loves clarity, and every small detail you give it gets you closer to the perfect result. Okay, we've got our perfect ASMR image. Now it's time to turn it into a moving, satisfying video. For that, we're going to use Google AI Studio, powered by the VO2 model. And yes, it's completely free. Here's what you do. Click the link in the description to open Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account. No complicated setup, just log in. On the main dashboard, click on Image to Video. Now, upload the glowing strawberry cutting image we created in Whisk AI. Here's where things get exciting. Just like with image generation, you need a video prompt to tell the AI exactly how you want it animated. You can write it yourself, or, my favorite method, use ChatGPT to make it for you. ChatGPT will give me a full, detailed prompt. I copy that, paste it into Google AI Studio, and then set my settings. Aspect ratio, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok. Duration, I recommend 5 to 8 seconds for maximum satisfaction. Number of variations, let's stick with 1 for now to focus on quality. Once you're ready, click Generate, and within 1 to 2 minutes, you'll have a hyper-realistic, smooth ASMR cutting video. This message appears in Google VO Studio when the system is temporarily overloaded due to high demand. To fix this, try waiting 5 to 10 minutes before attempting again. Generate videos during off-peak hours, early morning or late at night, clear your browser cache, or use incognito mode. If you are on the free tier, upgrading to a paid plan with a higher quota may also reduce the chances of this issue occurring. Now that our strawberry cutting video looks smooth and realistic, it's time to make it truly satisfying by adding sound effects.
Because without that crisp slicing sound, it's just a silent movie. Here's how we do it. First, head over to a free sound library website like Pixabay or freesound.org. You'll need a free account to download. Listen to a few sound samples until you find one that perfectly matches the motion of your video. What you're looking for is clear, high-quality audio with no background noise, just that clean slice. Once you've downloaded your sound effect, open CapCut or any other free video editing app. Here's the simple process. 1. Import your ASMR video into the timeline. 2. Import the sound effect. 3. Drag and align the sound so that the slicing sound happens at the exact frame where the knife cuts through the strawberry. Pro tip: if the sound is a bit too loud, lower the volume to around -5 to -8 decibels so it blends naturally. You can also add a little reverb for a more immersive effect. When you play it back, you'll feel the difference instantly. The glow of the strawberry, plus the slow motion slice, plus the perfect sound equals pure ASMR bliss. Now you have a fully finished, professional quality ASMR video that's ready to grab attention on any platform.
If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button right now. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to WikiByte AI and press the bell icon so you don't miss my next AI creation tutorial. If you want me to share my personal library of ready-to-use ASMR prompts, drop a comment below and I'll send them your way. Now you know how to make viral, satisfying ASMR videos from scratch, all with free AI tools. No filming, no expensive gear, just smart prompts and a few clicks. I'll see you in the next video.